Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying hardware and power requirements. This matters because peak brightness often requires higher current and HDR metadata. Once done, plug into AC or ensure battery threshold is met, because many systems restrict peak unless charging. Now open Settings, go Display, then locate Peak Brightness or HDR Peak and enable it. You'll notice a warning. Accept it to allow temporary high luminance. This step unlocks the capability. Do it now so you can control how bright the display will go for highlights. You should now prepare content and display processing so peak brightness helps rather than harms image quality. First, play HDR or certified high luminance material. Ordinary SDR will not trigger true peak output. Next, if available, tune local dimming or zone strength to limit haloing around bright highlights. This reduces bloom while preserving peak points. Finally, tweak tone mapping and contrast to keep details and highlights. By managing these parameters, you maximize perceived brightness while maintaining color accuracy and preventing washout. Finish by validating performance across different scenes and watching for thermal or power throttling. You want sustained peaks without overheating. If you see dimming or instability, reduce peak duty cycle or percentage in settings. Many systems offer 100% peak only for short bursts. Make sure to test with several clips and, if possible, verify luminance with a meter. If problems persist, switch back to adaptive or balanced mode and incrementally increase peak again. This troubleshooting keeps you safe and preserves display longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.